What's the meaning of commutation? Commutation. Commutation.
Commutation. Commutation. Commutation refers to the act of replacing or exchanging one thing for another. This term is commonly used in legal and financial contexts, and it often involves the substitution of one type of punishment or sentence for another. Commutation can also refer to the replacement of one type of payment or benefit for another. The result of commutation can vary depending on the situation, but it generally involves a change in circumstances or outcomes that is intended to be beneficial or advantageous.